Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to play as Zed on your League of Legends. So at first, just open your game through the right client. And as you open your game, you're on this home screen. So just stay at this home screen and look at the right tab for the option store, because you need to buy the champion Zed to play as him. And as you open the store page, all you have to do is again look at the left top and select this option right here, champions. And as you view the champion page, all you have to do is just scroll this down or go in the search box at the left and type ZED. And as you type it, you can see your ZED champion right here. And to play as him, you have to buy the champion using the RP point or the blue essence. So if you don't have the RP points, you can just top up the RP point from the store. So guys, that's how you play as Zed on your League of Legends. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.